My phone's been quiet for 100 days. Your name just sitting there, no words to say. I didn't text, you didn't call, but somehow I don't feel the gap at all. I watch the notifications flood my screen from everyone who needs to be seen. But you never need to prove a thing. You're just there like a permanent ring. They call it lazy, call it one-sided, but closeness isn't measured by how many times you tried it. Bowlby said it's not the frequency, it's knowing you'll be there when it matters to me. You never reach out, but you always pick up. 4 months of silence, then you fill my cup. I don't have to perform, don't have to explain. You know the version of me that doesn't need to be maintained. You never reach out, but you're always there. And somehow that's the realest thing in a world that demands I share. I've seen two kinds of people wearing the same face. One is resting in the bond, one is hiding in the space. I used to wonder which one I was. Now I sit with that question just because. Some friendships need the daily drift to stay alive. Some are like certain plants, low water, they survive. I'm not broken, not distant, not too proud to call. I just trust you'll be there when my world starts to fall. They scroll and post and check in every hour, mistaking noise for depth, mistaking reach for power. But you hold the core of who I am, not the updated version, just the part that always stands. You never reach out, but you always pick up. 4 months of silence, then you fill my cup. I don't have to perform, don't have to explain. You know the version of me that doesn't need to be maintained. You never reach out, but you're always there. And somehow that's the realest thing in a world that demands I share. Maybe I'm the one who never starts the call. Maybe you've been waiting by the wall. There's a difference between letting something breathe and using silence just to feel safe underneath. I'm sitting with the question now, which one is me? Is this trust or is this just where I learn to hide and be free? The answer lies somewhere quieter than a text, somewhere deeper than whatever notification comes next. Some bonds don't expire, they just wait. Not on your phone, not in your feed, just somewhere permanent. The way certain things stay without being asked to. You never reach out.